Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto G. I'm going to be making Swaziland trap beats. I'm the best teacher who will teach you how to make beats online. I'm back today with Swaziland trap beats. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be telling you how to switch from pattern mode to song mode. That's the beat I'm going to be making. So I'm just going to, when you launch your FL Studio, put your cursor like this, right click, then click on open here. Yesterday I showed you how to launch your FL Studio, but for me I've already launched my FL Studio, so I'm going to click on, I'll just click enter and enter my FL Studio which I've already launched. Now let me tell you today, this is your channel rack. When creating your beats here, make sure you always switch. When arranging your beat, when you put your beats here or your playlist, this is pattern mode and this is song mode. Always switch. When you want to transport your beat to arrange it to create space for an intro and outro, switch it here like this, pattern. For example, I'm going to put my beat on pattern. Then before I start creating my beat here on my channel rack, I'll click on add, then click on citrus. I'll put my, I'll turn up, I'll click and hold it, just turn the mouse wheel to channel 6. On channel 5 is the FL keys. I'll put my cursor on channel 5, right click, then click on piano roll. Right click, then click on piano roll. Good. As you can see, I've created my first to 4 bars pattern. I'm going to click on select here, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B right up to bars number 8. Then I'll go back to my channel rack. When you're programming a beat, when you open your piano roll like this, when going back to your channel rack, click here on channel rack, then open your channel rack like this. The next melody will be citrus. I'll put my cursor on top of my citrus app like this. Right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. Now I'll open my piano roll. This is my piano roll like this. Good. I'll start to program my piano. I'll start to program my second melody again. As you can see, my second melody, I've created the first 4 bars pattern. I'm going to click on select here, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B right up to bars number 8, and that's okay. Now the next step is I'll start to program my hi-hat now. On channel 3 here, I'll put my cursor on channel 3, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. I'll program the first 1, 2, 3 and 4 bars, and then copy it to bars number 8. Now I'm programming my snare now. Look at the way I'm programming my snare. This is where I'm programming my snare now. Make sure you take note the way I'm programming my snare. Make sure you take note, take note, take note. Let's go. I'm programming my snare. After programming my snare, how to slice your snare when your snare, I'm sorry, I wanted to say hi-hat, it's not a snare, this is hi-hat. How to slice your hi-hat is to click on slice here, then put your cursor here, left click and hold it, drag it like this, slice it. Put your cursor again, left click and hold it, slice it. That's okay. This is my hi-hat. And then highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B and copy my hi-hat to bars number 8. That's okay. Now let's go to the snare now. When you are like this on your piano roll, when going to your channel rack, look on the screen. Make sure you make use of these functions: view playlist, view piano roll, view channel rack. Just click here and go back on your channel rack. Now let's program now the snare. I'll put my cursor on channel 4. I will right click and then I'll click on piano roll, and this is how it's going to sound. You can make sure you test like all of these snares. First of all, at 1 I'll put my snare here, at 2, at 3 and put my snare, at 4 and put my snare, at 5, at 6, at any of each bar, at 7 and put my snare, and another bounce like this. It's going to sound very good and sweet like this. That's okay. Let's go now to the kick. Now make sure you use your left side of your instrument. Make sure you scroll down, look for another instrument. I'm like the way I'm scrolling mine. I'm looking for my kick. I'm going up. This is my kick. I'm going to left click, hold it, drag to channel 1, right click, then click on piano roll. That's it. I'm programming my kick now. That's it. That's it. Good. I'll click now back to my channel. Right click on my kick. Click on this boss knob. Turn the boss knob right up. Good. It's time to arrange the melody now. View playlist. I'll click here. Make sure you use this now. Make sure you use the pattern mode and the song mode to switch. This is my pattern 1 on my screen. I'll put my cursor here. Right click. Then click split by channel. I've clicked split by channel, which I can just press Ctrl A. Or just like click here. I'll just click here on draw, then click on my kick, click back my playlist, click into my hi-hat, click back my playlist, click on my snare, click back my playlist, click on my first melody, and click back my playlist, click on citrus, click back my playlist. Now, how to play this instrument here is to switch the pattern into song mode. Like this. As you can see, I've switched it, because if you can't switch it from when it is on pattern, if you don't switch it to song mode, you can't play the one on your playlist here. So I will click on select, then left click, hold it, drag it to your left, press Ctrl and B. That's it. Press Ctrl and B to extend it. I'm going to like make sure I remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Then I'm going to left click, hold it, highlight to your left, press Ctrl and B to extend it. I'm extending my beat now. Make sure when it is like this, try to put your cursor like this. Left click, hold it, drag this one up, then drag this one again to see the full screen. I'll click here, click on my effect keys, click back, click on my citrus, click back, then I'll remove the hi-hat, I'll remove the snare, I'll click on my mixer on 3 and 4, I'll put my cursor on top of 3, right click, then click on create automation clip on 4, I'll right click, then click create automation clip. Now let's listen to the Swaziland track from the start to the end, and see you tomorrow in another video. Let's go. I have not mixed tomorrow. I'm coming into full details on how to mix. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.